In this video, I am going to show how to install Java on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL oracle.com and then click on products. Now select Java. Click on this download Java button. Now select the Java version that you want to download. I am going to download the latest version of Java JDK. And then select the operating system. I am going to download it for Windows operating system. So click on Windows. Now select the file that you want to download. I am going to download the Windows 64-bit installer for Java JDK. Click here to download. It may take a while for downloading Java JDK. After a successful download, go into the downloads folder and open this installer. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. You will see the welcome to the installation wizard for Java SE development kit. Then click on next. Okay. This will install the Java SE development kit, which requires 424 megabyte disk space on your hard drive. This is the default installation folder. If you want to change this folder, click on change button and browse the folder where you want to install JDK. Okay, then click on next. It may take a while for installing. That's it. Java SE development kit installed successfully on Windows operating system. Now click on the close button to exit the setup wizard. Now verify the installation. Open command prompt and write this command here: Java C --version. Hit enter. That's it. And also you can write Java --version. That's it. Java version 23.0.1 installed successfully. Okay. In the next video, I will show how to compile and run a Java program from command prompt. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.